Welcome to AI Agents Explained, where we're about to take you on a journey and turn you from a tech novice into an agent expert.
But don't worry, we're not expecting you to become a coding genius overnight. Instead, we will demystify these complex digital assistants. We'll start with the basics. What are AI agents and how do they differ from traditional software? Then, we'll guide you through their core components, how they work, and their real-world applications.
By the end, you'll be able to spot AI agents in action and understand their potential impact. Welcome to TechSphere Academy. Today, we're about to witness an awakening, the rise of AI agents.
AI agents are a new breed of digital helpers that can think, make decisions, and take actions independently. Unlike traditional software, they understand context and actively work to achieve objectives.
This kind of creative problem-solving stems from their ability to learn and improve over time, unlike static programs.
But here's where it gets really exciting. The potential impact of AI agents spans across industries. In healthcare, they could analyze patient data and medical research to suggest personalized treatment plans. In finance, they might detect fraudulent transactions by spotting unusual patterns that human analysts might miss.
And in our daily lives, AI agents could manage our smart homes, optimizing energy use and anticipating our needs before we even realize them.
However, as we explore this fascinating technology, we must also consider its implications. What challenges might arise as AI agents become more integrated into our lives? We'll dive into these questions later in the video, but for now, let's continue our exploration of this game-changing technology that's set to revolutionize how we interact with the digital world.
Let's take a look at the inner workings of AI agents. Did you know that an AI agent once solved a complex mathematical problem that had stumped human experts for decades?
Welcome to the fascinating world of AI agents, where digital detectives are cracking cases we never thought possible. At their core, AI agents are like high-tech Sherlocks piecing together clues to solve our toughest problems. But how do they do it? The secret lies in their reasoning paradigms. React and re-woo. React, or reasoning in action, is like a detective following leads in real time. Imagine Sherlock investigating a crime scene. He observes a clue, forms a theory, then acts on it.
Similarly, AI agents using RACT plan after each action and tool response, constantly refining their approach. This allows them to reason step by step and show their thought process, giving us a window into their digital minds.
Re-boo-oo, or reasoning without observation, is more like Sherlock plotting out the entire case before leaving Baker Street. AI agents using this approach plan their actions based on the initial request, without relying on immediate feedback.
They anticipate which tools they'll need, gather information, and then formulate a response. It's efficient but potentially risky if unexpected evidence pops up.
Let's see our AI detective in action.
When solving a complex problem, an AI agent might first analyze historical data, then consult with an expert to refine its predictions.
This shows how AI agents can integrate information from various sources, reassess their plans, and self-correct based on new evidence. But here's where it gets really intriguing.
AI agents have been cracking cases their creators never expected them to solve. In one instance, an AI agent developed a novel solution that outperformed human-designed versions.
This AI detective didn't just follow the rules, it rewrote them. The real power of these digital Sherlocks lies in how they combine different capabilities. They use memory to maintain context across investigations, leverage entitlements to access secure information, and employ a variety of tools to crack each case. This combination allows them to operate independently and efficiently, solving mysteries that once seemed impossible. 4. The AI Agent Family Tree. Welcome to the AI Agent family, where digital superheroes are shaping your everyday tech experiences. From your smartphone's voice assistant to your smart home devices, these diverse AI types are revolutionizing our interactions with technology. Let's explore how they work.
Simple reflex agents are the straightforward thinkers, like your thermostat that turns on the heating at a set time.
They react quickly to current situations without needing memory or predictions. These basic agents excel at tasks requiring fast, consistent responses.
Model-based reflex agents take it up a notch.
Think of your robot vacuum cleaner that builds an internal map of your home. It remembers where it's cleaned and where it needs to go next. This memory upgrade allows for more informed decisions based on past experiences.
Google-based agents are like your car's GPS.
They don't just react to traffic, they plan entire routes to reach your destination. These agents constantly evaluate different paths to achieve their objectives, acting like a personal assistant, thinking 3 steps ahead.
Utility-based agents focus on maximizing value.
Imagine a navigation system that finds the route saving you the most time and fuel. These agents excel in complex decision-making scenarios, balancing multiple factors for the best possible outcome.
Learning agents are the true game changers. They're the personalized recommendation systems on your streaming services or e-commerce sites.
These agents learn from every interaction, continuously improving their performance. The more you use them, the better they understand and predict your preferences.
In real-world applications, these agents often work together. This adaptability is what makes AI agents so powerful.
Consider a smart city traffic management system.
Simple reflex agents might control individual traffic lights, while model-based agents predict traffic flow patterns.
Goal-based agents could plan optimal routes for emergency vehicles, and utility-based agents balance traffic efficiency with pedestrian safety. Meanwhile, learning agents analyze long-term data to improve the entire system over time. The ethical considerations are complex.
As AI becomes more autonomous, we'll face challenging scenarios, like an AI making critical medical decisions.
How do we ensure it prioritizes patient well-being? These aren't just fancy tools, they're potential partners in shaping our future. As we wrap up, ask yourself, which type of AI agent do you think will have the biggest impact on your daily life in the next 5 years? The answer might surprise you as these digital superheroes continue to evolve and shape our technological landscape.
AI agents are set to transform our digital world, but we must balance their incredible benefits with human oversight.
It's like teaching a genius child. You want them to flourish, but also need boundaries. This journey from confusion to understanding is the first step in a tech revolution redefining our relationship with technology. Keep learning about AI agents and their applications. The future of AI is here, and it's up to us to guide its responsible development. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit the subscribe button to support the channel, and smash the like if you want to see more. Until the next time, stay curious.